Lesson 22. Crime. When a person breaks the law, we say they have committed a crime. Especially horrible crimes like a savage theft or brutal murder can be described as barbaric, horrible, or vicious crimes. If someone tries to commit a crime but does not succeed, we use the word attempted. For example, an attempted murder, attempted kidnapping, or attempted breaking. If someone accuses another person of a crime but is not yet proven, we use the word alleged. For example, an alleged assault, an alleged, an alleged harassment, or alleged rape. After the victim reports the crime to the police will begin to investigate the crime. They visit the crime scene and gather forensic evidence. If witnesses come forward, the police will interview them to hear a first-hand account of what happened. They also consider possible motives for the crime. Police can arrest suspects who they believe have committed a crime, but the suspect can prove their innocence by providing a solid alibi. That means giving a confirmed explanation of where they were at the time of the crime. If it's never discovered who committed the crime when the case remains an unsolved crime, the statistic about number of crimes in a particular area is called the crime rate. And when there's a big increase in the crime rate, we can call this a crime wave. There are also a number of collocations we can use to describe criminals. A first-time offender is someone who has broken the law of the first time, whereas someone who has broken the law in the past has a criminal record. A criminal who is famous, like a serial killer or a person who is heavily involved in organized crime, can be called a notorious criminal. Collocations for specific criminals: a cold-blooded killer or murderer, a person who doesn't have feeling or emotion, a great psychopathic killer, a killer who is insane or mentally unbalanced, domestic violence, where there is a violence inside a home, for example, a husband beating his wife, trafficking, the purchase, sales, or transport of illegal drugs, identity theft, when a criminal steals an innocent person's identifying information and uses it in an illegal way, sexual harassment, when one person makes undesired sexual advance to another person, petty crime, a minor crime, armed robbery, when criminals steal something while using weapons,